Something seems to be lodged in my beak. Would you mind? Oh, I know I'm not a pretty birdie, but I used to be quite a looker, a star. Lights, camera, action.
I was striking, suave, ambitious, feet to beak, super delicious. Now I'm vile, I am villainous, ambitious, oh, and malicious. I had it all, a TV show, women too. I was tall, over 1'2". Then they got a pretty parakeet to fill my shoe. That's why I am so evil, why I do what I do.
So young and vital, a South American idol.
Who said that about me?
You rotisseried.
I was looking of telenovelas, the envy of all the other fellas. Then I was pushed out for a pretty Polly parakeet from Paraguay they call Patricius, common Paraguayan name.
I'm insidious. Oh, I'm hideous.
I'm a cockatoo.
Yes, that bit's true.
I'm a feathery freak with a beak, a bird murderer. You think you're better than me? I never heard of ya. I'm evil, I'll fill your cheese balls with weevils. I poop on people and I blame it on seagulls. It was him.
I'm invincible. I'm unmincible. I'm unwashable, unrinsable. Like an abandoned school, I have no principle. All of you Brazilian birds, all 80 million birds. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you.
Shut up now. Shut up!
It's just me.
I will make you ugly too.
Did you hear how dramatic that was with the end?